Hey, it's Michelle Budd. Happy New Year! It is time for the first Fun Fact Friday of 2017. Are you ready? I am. So for me, this year is going to be the year of relationships. And one of the things that we don't realize is that we have a relationship with everything we do and with ourselves. So I wanted to give you a little story to give you your Fun Fact Friday this week. It happened on New Year's Eve. So on New Year's Eve, I was with a bunch of people and we actually started having a discussion around multitasking. And it got quite heated. There were some very much for and very much against. So I decided to do some research on my own because it's 2017, it's New Year's resolution time, it's the beginning. Everybody's thinking about what they want to do and how they're going to reach their goals and all of that great stuff. And what my research proved was that really, multitasking is not as productive as we think it is. If we are trying to do more than one thing at a time, it's actually task switching. So what happens is our brain can't really think and do two things at the same time unless there's those unconscious actions like walking or things that we do because our body is doing it. But when we need to engage our brain, every time we're doing more than one thing at a time, we're actually switching gears in our brain. And it's like asking your brain to go reverse and forward at the same time. It can't do it. So you move from task to task. We think we're doing it at the same time, but actually what's happening is our brain is stopping and starting over here, and then stopping and starting over there. It actually makes us 40% less productive when we do that. So for 2017, my goal is to focus one place at a time, and hopefully that will help me to be more productive as well as more present, especially when I'm with people. I oftentimes will do things like cook and try and help my kids with homework at the same time, and what I find is they're going, "Mom, Mom, over here," or the chicken starts burning on the stove, because really it's hard to stay in two different gears at the same time. Our brains don't want us to do that. So this is my goal for 2017. I hope it gives you some pause and makes you think about potentially setting specific times for doing things. And I'll leave you with one more tip. In a 2008 University of Utah study, they found that drivers who actually talked on the phone and drove at the same time, even with their Bluetooth on, got to their destination considerably slower than if they had been just driving and paying attention to the roads. So even though you think talking and driving, especially on Bluetooth, is safe, maybe, but it still takes your productivity away and gives some distraction. So focus one place at a time for 2017. That's my motto, and we'll continue this year of relationship and Fun Fact Fridays as we go. Happy New Year to all of you. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next Friday.